Welcome back, guys. It's me, Mr. Frederick, once again. And it's also an opportunity here. And today we're going to be talking about the slope formula. Finding the slope without graphing. What if they just give you these 2 points and said, hey, find me the slope? What do? This is what you do. You're going to use the slope formula here, which is m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to put this here, x2, y2, x1, y1. Okay? So then I'm going to put this on top here. The y2 will be 0 minus 3. So it's going to be like these come together and these come together like that. So 0 minus negative 3. And then 3 minus 0. Okay? So far, so good. So when you subtract integers and also a negative integer, it's keep change flip. All right, so that'll be keep change flip. So it actually will turn it to plus. Let me show it over here. 0 plus 3. The same for the bottom will be 3. And it'll be just plus, it'll be plus 0, but 0 doesn't have no sign. So it's just like plus 0. So it's 3 over 3, which is 1. So our slope for this problem is just simply 1. And there you have it. That's how you find the slope without graphing. Okay? Take care. See you in the next one. This is Mr. Frederick out.